Hi, I'm Dr. Y. Yes, today I want to talk about something very important. Now, if you are there and you're telling me you have never ever in your life taken any of this kind of pills before, or any of these drugs, or even if it's common pain relievers, raise up your hand. Now, I got you there. All right, so today I'll be talking about what it means when they say I. And stay tuned, and I'll be right back. Now, everybody must have taken shots. Don't let me use the word everybody, because there are some people I've seen that will still tell me they've never taken drugs before in their life. But most people must have taken drugs at one point in time in their lives or the other. So I'll talk about the first one, which is something like this I. Now, I have a drug here where they wrote something. I'm not sure you can really see this, but I'll put it. Okay, now this is a picture of it now. So you can see this now. It says daily. Now, when you see a drug and they say you take it daily, it simply means you can take it anytime you want. You can take it 12 a.m. You can take it anytime you want, but the time you're taking it must be consistent so that you can ensure you have a high concentration of the drug to combat the disease you are treating. So if they say you should take it daily, it means you can take it anytime. So if you're taking it by 12 p.m., make sure you take it 12 p.m. every day. If you're taking it by 8 a.m., make sure you take it 8 a.m. every day. Now, the next one you can actually have also is II, which is twice daily. Now, twice daily simply means you're taking it 12 hours apart. And if you're taking it 8 a.m., the next one you'll be taking is probably 8 p.m. And it's important too, so that you do not have resistance to these drugs. Okay, and the third one I'm talking about is TDS. Now, that is III, 3 times daily. Now, this example, now I'm going to give an example here. Because you're taking these 8 hours apart, the first one you're taking is 8 a.m., 4 p.m., and the last one is 12 a.m. That's midnight. So it simply means you have to set an alarm for these drugs for 8 a.m., for 2 p.m., and for 12 midnight. If you don't set the alarm, you might miss your dose. You will increase your risk of having resistance to the drugs, and we may have to increase the strength of the antibiotics you're taking, which may be more expensive, and we don't want you to go through that. So the last one I'll be talking about is when you have III. Now, if you have III, depending on your doctor's prescription, like I said, if you are going to start the drug, for example, let's say you start it by 8 a.m. in the morning. The next dose you're going to take, if you're taking it 4 times a day, is going to be 2 p.m. Then after 2 p.m., the next dose you'll be taking is going to be by 8 p.m. in the evening. Then the next dose after the 8 p.m., 2 a.m. at night. Don't forget, you're taking it every day. So the cycle continues. Every 6 hours, you'll be taking the drug till you complete it for the required number of days you're supposed to take it for. Now, don't forget, this is the important part. You should ensure you complete your dosage for the days you're meant to take it for. If you don't do, your drugs may not work very well if you're taking it for probably your blood pressure or for one thing or the other. So it's quite important you follow these rules so that you can remain very healthy. I am Dr. Y, and your health is my priority.